All right, today video it's been like almost a month that I just bought my B9 FI sport bag, so I choose over my Subaru that I just bought previously. So the reason I bought this is I think way more comfortable for like going here and there daily drive, and then basically like to go out of state, and then the design is way more sporty in my opinion, at least. And then the headlight, everything, even though they are almost the same age, they are look a lot better in my opinion. And then the interior is way more cleaner. So basically 19-inch, like 255 40 35 19-inch. So, and then I already got mud cooler intake CTS, and I'm still waiting on the front gear too, like honeycomb gear basically. And then the meantime, I'm gonna wait for my air intake, like cooler intake, intercooler to be installed when I got my gear. And then I already got upgraded coil pack and upgraded spark plug, like from APL tuning APL. So basically I do have the windshield tinted, and then I'm still on stock by the way. So I do have carbon fiber spoiler, exhaust stock, dog bite stock, and I do have upgraded Apple CarPlay interior. I think pretty much that's what I got right now.
Okay, so let's try. So yeah, this is all we got inside the car. And then I don't have ambient light, like just the white color is all. So yeah, as you can see, just like this for the interior compared to the Subaru. I think this is a lot better too. The driving style, not bad. So let's go to the highway. Now 6:30 in the morning. So yeah, basically this is like less noise on the road compared to the Subaru. It's like the tire, the suspension setup, at least in my opinion, it's always like a lot better for me. So now the highway. Well, let me show you the light after we got this. So this is like basically a lot better for my opinion. The handling a lot easier. So even like Apple CarPlay, even if I didn't upgrade it, the standard cam with like Apple CarPlay too, but you do have to use the cable, USB cable. So and Subaru, they don't have it. Even though if I wanna use the Apple CarPlay, I have to basically replace the whole thing in order to have the CarPlay. So yeah, it's like you can feel it way more like less noise and more comfortable here. So then I got moonroof or sunroof, whatever they want to call it. The back, yeah. So as you can see, it's a lot easier to use it. Yeah, pretty much. That's why I got this, and the reason I got this F5 over S5 because I still got my F30 just for like if I want more power, I still can have use that one. For this one is like my daily driver. I used to daily my F30 too, so but still see. Right now I'm in stop, so basically I might wanna tune it to maybe stay one, stay two, then call it for the day, Yeah, so basically what I got right now is everything that I said. Like I think the video was yesterday that I took the one, so yeah, it's not bad. Okay, let's use. I think you can probably hear the radar is going off. So it's kind of rainy over here. I think the handling is not that bad, even though the tire tread life is not that great on this. Since I got like 255 or like squad setup, Okay, basically this is the whole video for now. Thank you. Appreciate that. Make sure you guys subscribe for it. I'll try to upload a lot more video in the future of this F5, and maybe just maybe I might sell my F30